So Olivia, your exam will start from 8th of March?
9th of
9th
March.
of March, okay.
And my maths exam is on 21st March.
Okay. So 21st of March.
Yes.
So you have still more than
A month.
1 month and 10 days. So 28 days month this February. Okay. So so these are the chapters that will come now. 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Set,
7.
simple interest, weight, distance, time, linear equations and inequalities have come in my revision tests, and representing 3D in 2D congruence construction, mensuration and probability will come on my third term examination.
Okay. So which chapter you find bit difficult? Which chapter?
In all of these?
All of this. Out of 8, 9, 10
I have,
chapters.
do you want the specific reason why I find it difficult?
No, tell me the chapter name first.
Okay. Simple interest.
No, is it easiest or you are having difficult?
Do you want to go from easiest to hardest or hardest to easiest?
Now I want one chapter name
Okay.
which you are finding difficult.
Mensuration.
Still difficult.
Mensuration.
Mensuration. Okay. So mark this chapter mensuration as 1. Priority number 1. Okay. So we will start with mensuration. Now, which is the next chapter, the second tough chapter for you?
Second tough chapter will be simple interest.
Simple interest is tough?
Yeah, because the
Okay, so second chapter is right priority number 2. Okay. Third difficult chapter?
Third difficult chapter
Means you are finding difficulty. You are not confident enough.
sets.
Sets, right 3. So we will touch upon these 3 chapters first. Okay.
Yes.
Now pick up your book and start open this chapter of mensuration and tell me one question which is the most toughest question in your class.
Okay.
So we will go by mensuration first,
Yes.
then we will attempt simple interest and then we will go for sets.
Yes.
So mensuration.
First question which I find it.
No need to write the question, you just explain what is the question.
Okay. So there is a wheel of a car which is rotated 1000 times and the traveling distance is 1.76 kilometer.
Okay.
I have to find the radius of the wheel.
Radius of the wheel. So what are given? Right, given. Why don't you use the pen?
Yes.
The pen is there, na? You can use this pen.
Where is the pen? Oh.
So
Wait, I have to.
okay. So what are given thing? Distance, na? Distance equal to D. Distance equal to D equal to 1000 kilometer. Okay. And what you have to find out? How many?
Radius.
How many rotation it has?
1000. Wait. Distance is not equal to 1000 kilometer.
1.76 kilometer. Okay.
Yes.
And how many rotation it has done? rotation is equal to,
or
say, n.
n.
N means number of rotation, n. So 1000 times the wheel rotated, okay?
Yes.
And what you have to find out? Radius,
Yes.
right? R radius equal to question mark, okay? So now how to do it?
And pi is
Now
equal to
what is the basic principle for this? See, suppose you have a wheel, like you have a wheel.
yes.
Now suppose this is the radius. Now when this wheel rotates by one round of rotation, okay, when the wheel rotates once, so how much distance it covers? See, what is the perimeter of this wheel? 2 pi r.
Yes.
2 pi into r. This is the perimeter. So
Okay.
if you cut this wheel and make a straight line like this, so this is the distance it will cover. In one rotation it will cover how much distance? 2
2
into pi. Pi
into
means
r.
22 by 7
7 into
into
r.
the radius of the wheel. What is the radius of the wheel? That's we have to find out, okay?
Yes.
So in one rotation it covers this much distance. The wheel has rotated up to n number of rotation, 1000 times. So what will be the distance covered? 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius into the number of rotations covered. Done. So number of rotation is n.
1000.
So this is the principle. So the distance covered by n rotation is equal to 2 pi r into n. Okay. And this distance is given 1.76 kilometer. Okay. So we can make it in meter. 176. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter.
Yes.
So if you multiply 1.76 into 1000, it will become 1760 meter. So this distance is 1760. Correct?
Yes.
2 into 22 by 7 into radius into number of rotation is also given 1000. Correct? Now, so you have to find out R.
Yes.
Okay. So how to find out R? Radius. So this 7 is divided here. So if it goes this side, it will get
1760
multiplied.
into 7.
So it is 1.60 into R 7.
1.60.
No, 1760 into 7.
You said point.
2 into 22 into 1000 multiplied, so it will get divided. 2 into 22 into 1000.
Yes.
So you calculate the radius. Calculate it.
Calculate the radius. Okay.
Simplify it.
10. And now how will I do it? Okay. 10. So the total is 8 is 16. 88.
Okay. So 22 into 88 is 4. Now 4 into 22 is 88.
No, I took 2.
Okay, 2, this is okay. Then 22 and 88. You can cancel.
11.
22 into 4 equal to 88. No?
Okay.
So 4 into 7 by 10.
100.
By 100, okay. So this is 28 by 100 means 0.28 meter. This is equal to 0.28 meter. So this is equal to, if you convert it into centimeter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter.
Yes.
So it is 28 centimeter. Or write or radius equal to 28 centimeter. Okay. Now I want to understand, go to next page. Now what you learned from this sum, you tell me, you summarize it. What was given?
Okay. The given things were how many times the wheel rotated.
You can write again.
I'll have to write.
Yes. Number of rotation. Use symbol small n, that is a better one.
Okay.
Number of rotation, radius. All the time you use symbol as small n, smaller like this. Okay. So 1000 times is the number of rotation. Okay.
Distance
was
is
given.
equal to 1.76 kilometer.
So radius of the, just from this given distance, now you know the radius cannot be in kilometer. Okay?
Yes.
Radius will be in centimeter only. Right? Radius of a vehicle. So anyway you have to convert it into centimeter. Okay. So leave it like this. Distance is given. Okay. Number of rotation is given.
Yeah.
Now what is the working formula? Radius to be found out. Okay. Radius to be found. Now what is the formula? Distance equal to, write d equal to, we know that, we know that. Come to the middle of this page. Middle of this board, yes. Right here, yes. We know that distance d equal to 2 pi r into n. Okay. Now d is given 1.76. So you convert it into centimeter directly. How to convert? Come to this. D equal to given 1.76. So first you convert it to meter. 1760 meter. Then you convert it to centimeter. 1760 or 2 more zeros. Okay.
Right.
Correct?
Yes.
So distance, right? In place of distance,
Or
yes. We have to say equation. So every step you have to write or. What is the value of pi?
22 by 7.
Into number of rotation is
1000.
into the radius. Okay. So now R to be found out.
So 7 here is divided. Here it will go.
Yes, right. Simplify it. Okay, now 3 zeros will cut. So it is 28 centimeter. So you have not written centimeter, no? You have converted 1760 meter. You have to write the unit, na? Here. Where you have mentioned D, you need to mention cm also. Centimeter, na? Unit, yes. So it is centimeter. Now, have you understood how we have done it?
Yes.
In one rotation, it rotates by its length, its perimeter, its circumference. So in n rotation, it will cover the entire distance. So distance is equal to 2 pi r into number of rotations.
Yes.
Correct? So is it clear?
Yes.
100% clear?
Yes.
No
No
confusion?
confusions.
Okay. Now we write the second toughest question of this chapter.
Okay, let me just set something up because after that.
Okay. Next question.
A wire is bent in the form of a square of side 16.5 centimeter.
Okay.
There is a wire, it's bent and it's created like a square.
Okay.
This is a square. Let me just try.
Yes, very good idea. You visualize the question, okay?
This is a wire.
Okay. The next step, you have in next step you write this wire is converted into a square, okay? So square. Okay, draw the figure. Okay.
And the square side is 16.5 centimeter.
Achha, each side of this square is 16.5
16.5
centimeters.
centimeters.
Okay.
And then the wire is bent into a circle.
Okay. So what you have to find out? What is the question?
Just a second. I have to find the radius of the circle formed.
Okay, very good. So now what is your idea how to find out?
This is the radius.
Okay. Now how to find? What is the length of the wire? Can you find out the length of the wire?
The length of the wire is 16.5 into 4.
Yes, very good. So write length of the wire.
Here.
Yes. Because each side of a square
Is same.
same. So it is 4 times the side of the square is the total length. Now this length of the wire is also equal to the circumference of the circle.
Yes.
Okay. So it is the perimeter of the circle. Okay. So what is the formula for perimeter of this? Acha, you find out the length first into 4.
Okay. So I have a in decimal multiplication.
Correct.
Do I have to? This is a very silly doubt. I have this
Okay.
doubt almost every time. So do we have?
Okay. Do it. No
बोल
problem.
दो करो?
No, no, okay.
So do we have to multiply the number with this or with this?
You write it side by side multiplication. Multiply
No, I'm asking about
4 into 4.
16.
6, 1 in hand.
Okay, 1 in hand. And
4 into 6, 24. 24 and 1.
5. 2.
25.
4,
into
5, 6. 65.6.
Good. Now this is equal to the perimeter of the circle. Now what is the perimeter of the circle?
Perimeter of the circle is 65.
6, but what is the formula for perimeter? 2 pi
2
into
pi
r.
r.
Okay, right? 2 pi r equal to length of the wire equal to perimeter of the circle. So write 2 pi r equal to this length, whatever length you found out. Put the values 2
Or
2 into pi. The value of pi is
22 by 7.
Okay. Now can you find out radius?
Okay. This is right.
How to calculate?
How am I going to? I have to do it side.
65.6 is even number.
Yes.
There we have 2 there.
2 1 2 2 2 are 4. 2 3s are 6.
2 2s are 4, 2.8.
32.8.
Again, it will cancel
Wait.
with 22.
Yes, just a second, it's not clear here. Yes, so this 22 directly doesn't go to 11. Ones are 2.
6.4. Okay.
And then it doesn't go to 11.
Okay. So 16.4 into 7 by 11, correct? So multiply 16.4 by 7. Side by side multiplication. 4 7s are 2 in
2 in
hand.
hand. Point
4
7 6 are
42.
42, 43, 44. 4 and 7 another 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 114.8 by 11.
Can you divide it?
No. Like it's about 5.
So it is 114.8 by 11. So I have written 10 here, correct?
Okay.
Just to remove this.
Yes.
Now 11, 1148. 1, 11, 4,
8, 44.
11,
4.
4, so
44 वाला about 4 aspect 0.4 114.4 14.4 rub it
so 44.
point won't come
4. So point become 0. 3.
how did wait how did 144.3 but it's supposed to be
Okay, na?
14.4 no
No.
erase this line
Acha, this 4 is coming. Okay. So
erase this line and then do here
to do it, why to complicate? There is not one. Why to complicate this? Let it be like this. Okay. Let it be like this. Okay. Now this is suppose it is just like 100 by 10 means it is 10 times. Okay. So 10 times means 11. 114.8. So 1 11 4 0 0.8 4 44 4 0. So about 10.4. Okay, 10.4. So this radius of this will be 10.4 centimeter. Check your answer.
I have to find the chapter again. Mensuration to 44. A 10. 23A 10.5.
Okay, because we have done the approximation. Now go to next page. Now tell me the summary. What you have understood from this sum? What was given?
The given was
there was a straight rod which is square, which is
it was
converted
went
to
into
square.
a square, and the total length was 16.4 width. 16.5 into 4.
Each side. Okay,
So
so you find the length of the wire.
Yes.
Okay. And this length becomes the perimeter of the circle.
Yes.
So you know the perimeter of the circle, it is given. Is it given perimeter?
Perimeter
Because
of the circle is not
the,
given.
No,
but
it is the
we found
length
out.
of the wire.
Yes.
Okay. So perimeter is 2 pi r equal to the length of the wire,
Yes.
which is 4 into the each side of the square. So by this solving this equation, we find out the radius of the circle. Correct? So now is it clear?
The sum is clear, yes.
Sum is clear, okay. Now you find out the third sum.
How many revolutions would a cycle wheel of diameter 1.6 feet?
No, first you explain the sum. First you visualize the sum. Tell me what is the sum.
Okay.
Then we will see.
Revolution means
rotation.
Yes, rotations.
What is the question again?
How many revolutions would a cycle wheel of diameter 1.6 meter make to cover a distance of 352 meters? And then the hint is pi r
So
square.
it has gone, the wheel gone up to 352 meter. Okay. And the diameter of the wheel given.
Yes.
Okay.
1.6.
Okay. So diameter. So you have to find out the number of rotation. So what is the basic principle when a wheel rotates? What is the distance covered, number of rotation and radius of the wheel? What is the relation? Distance equal to 2 pi r into n. So right. Given. First of all, what are given things? You write it down. So diameter is equal to the 2 into radius. So 1.6 is basically the 2r, correct? So write down 2r equal to 2r equal to 1.6. Correct. So number of rotation n, before rotations, write n equal to number of rotations. Now right, we know that d equal to now wait. Distance is given 352, right? 352, d equal to 352 into n, 2 pi r into n.
2 pi r into n. Yes.
Achha, 352 equal to, now 2r is given, 2r equal to 1.6, right? 1.6, okay. Now pi is, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into n. So what is the trick here? Diameter is given. So we know that 2r is given.
Yes.
So in place of 2r we have directly put 1.6. Or you can do one thing. You convert diameter to radius by dividing by 2. Again you have to write the
yes,
value
but
of
this is much easier now because 2 into r equal to
correct. So now you have to find out the value of n. So you have to solve
so let me try. Or n equal to 352 into 7 by 1.6 into 22.
Very good.
Okay, 22 like 2 just okay wait 2
11 into 22 is, if you cut it by 11 now, so 22 2 the denominator you write 2, 3 11s are 33 at the top, 3 11s 33, 3 3 3 3 11 33, and then 2 33 2 32, you write 32. No,
wait acha total number is 32.
okay, 2 into 32, acha 1632, what will you get? If you divide, acha, in the denominator you have 3.2, correct? 1.6 into 2 is 3.2, correct? And the numerator you have 32.
Yes.
So what will be the answer? If you divide 32 by 3.2, the result is 10.
Okay, wait, let me just write it again.
By 3.2. So to remove the decimal, you have to multiply up and below. So
below or up?
So if you remove decimal, multiply both denominator and numerator by 10. So decimal has gone because of 10 multiplication. Again you write the second step.
What?
32 into 7 into 10. Write in the second. Or n equal to 32 into 7 into 10. And 3.2 into 10 is 32. That's it. Now 32 cancel, so
70.
So how many rotation it has made?
70 rotations.
Now go to the next chapter and next page and explain me this sum. How you have solved it.
Okay. So the given
Now what was given? Don't open the book. You know the question.
Yeah, but
I don't need the number even. What was given?
okay.
What you have done.
The distance was 352 meters. The diameter was 1.6 meter, I guess. Wait, let me just check now. The diameter was 1.6 meter. The formula is 2 pi r. So
Into n.
Into n. 2 pi
equal
r
to
into
distance.
equal to distance. Distance is already given, and instead of doing 2 pi r, I directly wrote 1.6.
Correct.
Yes.
So in terms of diameter, what is the distance and number of rotation, how it is related? D equal to pi, D is small d is the distance, equal to pi into capital D is the, diameter, okay, into n. So pi dn, pi into d means diameter into number of rotation equal to the total distance covered. This is the formula if you know the diameter.
Yes.
If it is radius, then
2 pi
distance
r
is equal to 2 pi r into
n.
Correct? Is it
Yes.
clear 100%?
Yes.
Okay. So is there any toughest question? Just